Alright guys, for today's experiment we've got something here very special. This don't look like much, but it's a 5.5 pound pork shoulder. And I've got it all seasoned up just the way Franklin likes to do it, but I added a little dirty bird from Cosmo as well. And you know, I've done these in the smoker many times and they've come out amazing. But today we're going to experiment. I don't do anything easy around here. I got a Dutch oven. This is a Renfro. This is a company that used to make Dutch ovens back in the 60s all the way to the 80s. My dad bought this, had some swap meet somewhere, and has a very interesting top and didn't have a handle, so we created this experimental handle the other day, and we're gonna see what happens. We'll throw this pork butt right into the Dutch oven, and all we're gonna do is put in a little apple juice. And that's it. Put the top on. Goes right into the pit. Then we are going to fill that hole with charcoal. And in about 8 hours, we're gonna have us some pork butt. Alright guys, it's been about a little over 5 hours. We were supposed to go 8 hours, but those coals were so freaking hot that it knocked it out in 5 hours. So by all rights, this should be really rough. This should be actually not tender. This should be actually kind of rough and hard to chew, because it went so fast. It didn't go as slow as I would like to. So let's see what we got, dude. Let me open this up. Just getting all the coals off.
Edge hot coal.
Bam. Okay, let's see. Let me show you guys what we got in here. So that is looking freaking beautiful. The bone is moved. You can see that for sure. And it should be super rough.
Edge razor hot.
Let's check it out. Let's check it out, buddy. Grab a piece. It's just falling off the bone. Want to give it a try?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, here, get another piece. How is it? Good?
It's a little warm, but spicy.
Oh shit! That dirty bird is a little spicy, huh? It is freaking good. That pepper is fantastic.
I think it's gonna make me sneeze.
Even though it didn't go the full 8 hours, it's still fantastic. And it's falling apart. This stuff is fantastic. We did a great job cooking in a Dutch oven a pork shoulder. What do you think, dude? Final words.
Good.
Good? All right. We'll see you next time.
Yeah.